Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the very cool bass line in Act Like You Know from Fat Larry's Band on electric bass guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, and the main bass line will go something like this. We're going to start our bass line here at fret 8 on the A string, playing 8, 8 on the E string, back to the A string, and that's all at 8. Go to 6 on the A string, back to the E string, 8, and then fret 6 on the E string. So that's 8, 8, 8, 6, 8, 6. Next, we'll shift position down to fret 6 with the little finger and play this. So that was fret 6 on the E string, fret 4 on the A string, fret 3 on the D string, fret 3 on the A string, fret 4 on the A string twice. So that's so far we've got this. Next, we'll move up to fret 6 with the index finger on the A string and play this. So for that, we go to fret 6 on the A string, 8, and then 6 on the D string, 8, slide from 8 to 10, back to 8, then we'll hit 6 on the D string, 8, 6, 8 on the A string, fret 6, and then 8 on the E string, and back to 8 on the A string twice. So that's and that completes our line, and it's going to sound like this. Next, we'll need to learn an easy break that sounds like this. To play that, we'll go to the A string, fret 8, 6, the E string, fret 8, 7, 6, 4, back to the A string, fret 6. So that's now later on in the song, the bass line will change just slightly. It'll sound like this. we played it the same way, with the exception that at the end we did an open A, and then we played fret 6 on the A string. So that's And with that, I've shown you everything you need to know in order to play Act Like You Know from Fat Larry's band on electric bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.